warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So let me introduce myself. My name is Nuriyana Putri and I'm a student. I'm studying at Universitas Teknik Indonesia and my NPM is 2441127. So today I want to explain about sample hypothesis testing. Definition. Sample hypothesis testing is a statistical procedure used to determine whether the results obtained from sample data are strong enough to support or reject a statement hypothesis about a population. In other words, sample hypothesis testing helps researchers decide whether conclusions drawn from a sample can be applied to the entire population. A hypothesis is a tentative guess about a population condition that will be faced using sample data. In statistical research, hypotheses are used to determine whether differences or relationships found in the data occur by change or are truly statistically significant. By testing hypotheses, researchers can make objective decisions based on the data rather than solely on estimates or assumptions. Purpose of sample hypothesis testing. Number 1. Testing the validity of a claim about population. For example, if a company claims that its battery products has an average lifespan of 10 hours, hypothesis testing helps determine whether that claim aligns with the test results of a sample of batteries. Number 2. Making scientific decisions based on sample data. Not all differences in the data represent real differences. Hypothesis testing helps determine whether the differences are statistically significant or simply due to change. Number 3. Drawing conclusions from the sample to the population. Because we cannot test the entire population, hypothesis testing is used to generalize sample results to the broader population. Types of hypothesis. Number 1. Null hypothesis states that there is no difference or influence between the variables being tested. Example, there is no difference between the average income of men and women. Usually use an equal sign. Number 2. Alternative hypothesis states that there is a difference or influence. Example, there is a difference between the average income of men and women. Uses the sign not equals, the big or small thing, depending on the direction of the test. Conclusion. Hypothesis testing is an essential stage in statistical analysis used to evaluate the truth of an assumption or claim based on sample data. Through this process, researchers can determine whether the result obtained with a sample truly represents the actual condition in the population. The steps in hypothesis testing include formulating the null and alternative hypothesis, determining the level of significance, selecting the appropriate statistical test, calculating the test value, and drawing scientific conclusion. By following these steps, researchers can make decisions that are objective and scientifically accountable. Moreover, hypothesis testing plays an important role in various fields such as business, economics, psychology, education, and science. as it helps to evaluate the effectiveness of policies, strategies, or methods. Therefore, mastering the concepts and procedures of hypothesis testing is crucial for producing research that is valid, accurate, and meaningful. So that's it. Thank you so much, and bye bye.